I love Bauer C, especially those ones. This one comes with a manual and an original leather bag, and this is the super compact, very nicely working Bauer C6 Super. As you can see, literally like brand new, nearly no scratches, extremely shiny, lens in great condition, working manual and automatic zoom, sunshade, aluminum sunshade, which is quite nice, and a lens cap. So let's test it out. You need to open that. You might need a coin. As you can see, the battery compartment is extremely clean. Do follow the instructions on the inside of the handle, as if the batteries are not in the correct way, the camera is not going to be working. Just a second, as it has a position. I always tend to forget how it goes in. Just a second. Okay, so close the lid, spin that. As said, you might need to use a coin. Okay, voila, 18 frames per second, 9 frames per second, and single frame, and as well 36. All working great. Off, on button. Automatic zoom works as well, quite well, as you can see. The camera is in great working condition. Light meter on the camera works. Unfortunately, I can't really show that because you need to look through the viewfinder and I can't do that from here. But let's test the camera out with an expired cartridge. Expired cartridges are much harder to spin than regular new ones. So what we do is we mark the cartridge. As you can see, insert it in gently. I'm sorry about that. Sometimes they get a little bit up. There you go. Close the lid. Shoot for several seconds. Take the cartridge out. And as you can see, there is no mark there anymore, which means that the motor works very well. But the film is straight as well, which means that the motor and the film gate work together very well. So the camera is in outstanding condition. As said, unfortunately I can't show the viewfinder, but through the viewfinder the light meter, but the light meter works very correctly. So this is a great little gem with folding handle, quite compact. So enjoy your new Super 8 camera.